Welcome to Let's Talk Meshing's Tutorial Tuesday, where we show you how to use a feature in just a couple of minutes. Today we're going to look at Examine Filters, which provides you with the capability to get detailed visualization of cells based on certain criteria or conditions that you specify. I've selected this wing block in this overset topology and gone into the Examine command, and you'll see that we have filters available as a fourth tab in the command panel, in addition to a filters command frame down below. Let's first go to the filters tab, which provides us tools for creating filters as we need them. Clicking on new gives us a new filter in our list. You'll see in red here we have a base condition where we can decide whether all our following conditions will be applied and used to render cells. Any of the conditions met will render the cells, or none of the conditions met will render cells. Let's set up our first condition, and let's say in this example I actually want to look at minimum skew cells at a certain span range along the wing. So I'm selecting y is greater than or equal to, and let's for instance enter 1.15, and I'll see immediately all cells that are outside of that or greater than that y value out to the tip of the wing are rendered automatically. Let's clamp that down to a range a little bit smaller with an additional condition, so less than or equal to 1.2. So now I see all the cells rendered in that y value range. And then finally our last condition, which is going to be our minimum included angle condition, and let's say that needs to be less than or equal to 50 degrees. As soon as I enter this last value, I can see only those cells in that y value range less than 50 degrees minimum angle are rendered. Additionally, I'd like to provide a more descriptive name here so that I can access this a little bit more easily later in my session of Pointwise. If I click back over to the Examine tab now, you'll see that those cells are no longer rendered, and that's because by default Pointwise turns those filters off, and I need to come down here to this filters command frame in order to toggle those filters on and off as I need them. If you like this video, be sure to click the thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. If you have any questions or comments, drop us a line down below or connect with us on Twitter, which is linked in the description. Thank you all and have a pleasant Tuesday.